catching some bait right now, so that way I can head on over to the other side and get some snook. We already got a few pinfish. Let me show you. Decent size pinfish. Guys, something. See these? Those are called sea grapes. They're actual grapes. When they're like this, they're dry. You don't want to eat them like that. When they're a purple color, that's when they're really good. So if you guys are ever on the beach and you see those and they're purple, go ahead and eat them. They're edible. So let's go get some fish. Enough about grapes. She's ripping today. Well guys, I finally made it on second. A bunch of fish jumping, so we better put some bait on the hook before I start talking. Look at this beautiful pinfish. Oh gosh, it's dripping on my camera. Here's my rod. I got like you guys have seen in some of my other videos that I've talked about, my Penfierce 2. Should be getting the 3 soon. Right here I got the Shimano rod. Look at the rod. Shaky, shaky. Something's scaring them. Something's scaring them. Now, if I run out of bait or the bait goes away, I still have a few things I can use. Got some jigs. I got some DOA shrimp. I got some good things here. Alright guys, and this is what you call one and done. We got one cast, tons of greenbacks. I just did that one and done. I got a lot of greenback, so some of them died. Some of them are thriving. These birds are trying to eat them, so I'm gonna feed them. Come here. Come here, little guy. Actually, he's a big bird. Let's see, I don't think they'll eat it out of my hand. I don't think I want them to be honest. Let's see. Good job, dude. Congrats, bro. Congrats. Anyways, you can see there's so much bait still out there. I could do another cast and do another one and done, but I don't want all the bait. Look at that. The bait's just jumping everywhere. Surprisingly though, I don't see a lot of fish hitting them. So what's going on? I don't know. I don't see any Spanish mackerel, which usually when it's like this you see them hitting on top. I don't see ladyfish. It's so rough today that I can't see the bottom, so I can't tell if there's any snook. Wait, this is what we call a greenback. Obviously self-explanatory. The top is green. They look like tiny, smaller thread fins almost. I'm trying to get you. They got a little top fin up here.